You know, there's just not enough time in the day to make money. Now, I usually wake up around 9 a.m. and I grind throughout the day until about 9:30, 10 p.m. and then I wind down for another hour or two before I go to bed. Now, having said that, I'm doing some work with my shirt off, adult beverage. This is what my backyard looks like. Yeah, and this is what it's like if you want to work from home and be your own boss. I'm not saying it's glamorous, this is very nice, but if you want to be your own boss, you actually end up working more hours than go into a regular job. And sometimes I miss that. I miss just being able to go in, clock in for an 8 to 10 hour shift, and when my shift's up, like, sorry, gotta go, fuck it, okay? Anyways, I got tons of orders, right? I wake up every morning, I spend the first hour doing messages, emails, talking about collabs, and then I start to shoot videos if I have them, or I got to edit the videos. And then I'm trying to work on other projects to sustain longevity. Chat GPT to build a new e-guide here to teach people how they can make money online through a few different ways, okay? Through TikTok Shop and their affiliate program, through the Amazon Influencer program, through affiliate marketing. Now, Amazon and TikTok really are affiliate marketing per se, but if you want longevity, a real affiliate marketing is recommending additional products and or services that will make a person's life easier, but also make them money in that amount of time too. So if anybody's interested in that, comment down below, because it's going to be done here probably in the next week and a half at the rate that I'm going. It can't be done any sooner, okay? But I have a lot of information to share. I know how to make money online. I've been doing it for 2.5 years now. Am I rich? No. But am I getting up to that 5K per month mark? Absolutely. And the next goal after that would be 7 or 10K per month. And the majority of that is going to be passive because it's a slow roll, right? If I make a shit ton of money right now per se, I'm not going to see it probably for 60 days. Okay. So you need to have this like upslope and curve when you start planting all these seeds and putting, processes in place that will pay you later on. If you just need to make a quick money grab and get rich quick right now, it's not going to happen. Okay. Go do something illegal. I don't recommend doing that, but like that's the only way to make money quick.